Good morning children. Today third class mathematics. In previous class we have to discuss about how to do the addition word problems. Word problems is nothing but have to think it as stories, number stories. In previous class exercise 354 we have to discuss first, second, third, fourth. Today we have to discuss 5, 6, 7, 8 remaining problems. It is in your textbook page number 90. Okay children, it is in your textbook page number 90. Once do you have textbooks now? Once open textbook page number 90 and see the question. I am reading the question first. Fifth one. Geeta has 4,775 rupees. Shanti has 2,680 and Mala has 1,998 rupees. How much money do they have in all? All is nothing but have to do the addition. First you have to write an amount Geeta has. In this solution, first step, amount Geeta has. How much amount Geeta has? Geeta has rupee symbol. It is called rupee symbol. 4,000. One number over after you have to leave the finger gap. 775. Why? Because if you are leaving the gap means when you are doing addition then you will get the correct answers. Okay. Amount has. Next step. Shanti has. Amount Shanti has. Amount Shanti has. How much amount Shanti has? Here Shanti has 2,680. Next, Mala has amount Mala has. How much amount Mala has? Rupee symbol 1,998 plus. Now we want what do they have in all? Means it is called the total amount. It is called the total amount. Now you can add these three numbers. First you have to start additions from ones place. Here 5 place 0. If we add any number to 0, we are getting the number itself. 5 only. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. Why? Because here 8 is there. Take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. 3 cut 10 right here. 1 write down in the next place. Regrouping. Okay. Next. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 how much children? 8 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 in the mind. Take 9 fingers. Take 9 fingers. 16 after 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 also have to write down side 2-digit number. Cut one's place and write here. Next place write down as a next place regrouping. 100 place regrouping. So here 7 plus 2. How much? 9. 9 plus 6. 15. Okay. 9 plus 6. 15. 15 plus 9. 15 in the mind. Take 9 fingers. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Answer is 24. 4 cut 10 right here. To write down in the next place regrouping. Okay. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, total they have 9,453. Like this, you have to do the number stories. Next one, sixth one. Did you understood? First, you have to write how much amount do they have separate. After we are adding, it is called the total amount. Go for the next question. That is sixth question. The public library brought 2,947 books from the Delhi Book Fair and 5,050 books from the World Book Fair. How many books in all did the library buy? Okay. So, number of books buy from Delhi Book Fair. So, here first step, that is number of, NOOF is nothing but number of books. Number of books brought. Okay. Number of books bought from Delhi. From Delhi Book Fair. How many books children? Here 2,947. One number over after also leave the finger gap. Next, number of books brought from World Book Fair. Number of books bought from World Book Fair. Okay. World Book Fair. How many children? 5,050. Now, you have to do the addition. First, you have to add the ones place. 7 plus 0, 7 only. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 5, 7. So, total number of books from these two stores is equal to 7,997. The last step is total number of books. Okay, in the library. Total number of books in the library is equal to how many? 7,997. Now, go for the seventh question. That is, in a garden there are 2,375 roses. Okay, how many roses children? 2,375. And 1,642 marigold and 2,470 lilies. How many flowers are there in the garden? So you have to write down the 3 flowers first separate. Then you have to add. You will get the answer. In the first step, number of roses in a garden. First of all, in a garden. NOOF is nothing but number of rose flowers is equal to how many roses? 2,375. Word to word, number to number, leave the finger gap. Next, number marigold flowers. Number of marigold flowers. How many marigold flowers? 1642. Next, number of lilies. Number of lilies is equal to, here how many? 2417. Here you have to do the addition, and we want 3 in all. Total number of flowers. Total number of flowers. We want, this means you have to do the addition here. Okay. First you have to add the ones place. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 means 4 here, 1 in the carrying box. Okay. Next 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 here, 1 here. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 4 here, 1 here. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Total number of flowers is equal to 6434. Same like this, one more question is there. This 8th one have to do. Okay. On Sunday, 1475 men, 309 women, and 2787 children visited the Science Museum. How many people in all visited the museum? Number of people visited the museum. So first you have to write down number of men. How many number of men? That is 1475. Here also one number or after leave the finger gap. Next, number of women. Number of women. That is 309. Number of children. Number of children. How many number of children? 2800. 2787. 787. Here also you have to do the addition. First add the ones place. Next answer is, how many people visited all in the museum? Means total members. Total members visited the museum. Okay. Total number of children visited the museum. So first here what you have to do? First you have to add the ones place. Next tens place. Next hundreds place. Next thousand place. If you get a single digit number, you can write down directly. If you get 2-digit number, you have to write down one number like this, one number in the regrouping place. Okay children, this is your homework today. Your homework is complete exercise 3.4 in your notebook. Okay. Today your homework is complete in maths notes. That is Exercise 3.4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Textbook, page number 90. Okay. Once see here, children. Open your textbook, page number 90. Already 4 problems completed in the previous class. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open your notebook. You have to see the question in the textbook and copy in your notebook. Answer. You have to write down the answer. Okay. This is your homework today. Thank you.